In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox birthday change 2023. Firstly, visit the website called roblox.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the site, move your cursor to the gear icon and select Settings. From there, navigate to the birthday section and just highlight it and right click, choose Inspect from the context menu. You will need to locate a specific code within the inspection window. Once you find it, right click on the code and select Edit as HTML. Now, replace all of this code with the description provided below. After making these changes, simply click on the X to close the window and proceed to click on Verify My Age. Follow the provided instructions to complete the process. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.